Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a picture in table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a picture in a table. Firstly, insert a table. Go to the Insert menu. Then we can see the table option. We click it. Then select a columns and rows to insert table, and we can see we inserted table. Then click the table and move this top. Then resize the table some bit. Then click any table cell and go to the insert menu again. Then click the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now we select picture. Select this picture and insert. Now we can see we insert a picture, but this size is big. Then click the picture and go to the picture format menu. Click wrap text option, choose none. Then resize the picture and set this a cell. Then click outside of the table and we can see we insert a picture in this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.